All new technologies, including trailering-capable Super Cruise, along with new levels of premium craftsmanship and capability, make the new 2022 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate the most advanced and luxurious Sierra ever. Check out new interior, exterior design changes, added features, tech updates, and much more in this walk-around review reveal video. The 2022 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate is set apart from the rest of the lineup thanks to unique exterior styling, including a unique grille treatment finished in exclusive Vader chrome, featuring a grille in exclusive Vader chrome, along with exclusive 22-inch wheels, finished in low-gloss black with machined accents, Vader chrome GMC logo, and unique front fender trim featuring Mount Denali. Additionally, GMC 6-way MultiPro tailgate, the Denali Premium Suspension with segment-exclusive adaptive ride control, and power assist steps are standard. The cabin space incorporates a new interior design, debuting with the fully refreshed 2022 GMC Sierra 1500. The 2022 Sierra Denali Ultimate takes the new interior a step further with a variety of exclusive materials and features. The Denali Ultimate's Alpine Umber interior builds on the already luxurious Denali cabin with full-grain leather appointments and open-pore Paldo wood trim, as well as a leather-trimmed instrument panel, new 13.4-inch diagonal infotainment screen, door panels, and console lid, a premium micro-suede headliner, and Sierra Denali Ultimate badging. A laser etching depicting topographical maps of Mount Denali can be found in the dash. Also equipped with a rear camera mirror, as is the GM Super Cruise, the automaker's semi-autonomous driver assistance system, which offers semi-autonomous trailers with the new Sierra Denali Ultimate 2022. As for the engine spec, the new Denali Ultimate is equipped as standard with the naturally aspirated 6.2 L V8 L87 gasoline engine, rated at 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. The 8 connects to a 10-speed automatic transmission with electronic precision shift, as well as 4-wheel drive and an electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case, all the standard. Denali Premium Suspension with adaptive ride control is also standard. Pricing for the 2022 Sierra Denali Ultimate starts at $80,395. Look for deliveries of the refreshed 2022 GMC Sierra to begin in the first quarter of the 2022 calendar year.